Now, let me ask, are you in fact getting paid for being here?
I don't think so, but to be honest, I haven't actually asked.
Good. Good. In that case, you may be pleased to hear that I hold in my hands 6 eggs. Putting the two halves of our conversation together, I will give you £10 if you let me break 4 of these eggs on your head.
Ooh, 10 English pounds.
So £10, 4 eggs
Work it through.
on my head.
Sure. Do we have a deal?
Absolute deal.
Thank you, sir.
Can I take my jacket off?
Absolutely. Corduroy and eggs. Wow. Asseyez-vous. Thank you. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Let's do this. Egg number 1. £10, huh? You get 7 albums with that.
Can we do this quickly, because it's not very nice.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, here we go. Egg number 2. Egg number 3. Oeuf-toi. You know what? I shan't cast egg 4.
What?
I think I'll leave it there.
So I get £7, 10 shillings.
No, the deal was £10 for 4 eggs. We didn't make any 3-egg deal.
Wait, you're joking?
You should have made a deal for 3 eggs.
Always make the 3-egg deal.
You're too greedy, mate.
That is so unfair.
Yes, it is unfair. And that was the important lesson I was trying to teach you, young man. Life is unfair.
Yeah. That's it.
So true. So true. You are a bastard. Huh?
I mean, it's been said before, but underneath, I think you'll find him a very, very nice person. Way underneath.